Hi all, welcome back to Enchanting English. Today you're going to learn about 5 important verbs which are called as causative verbs. They are let, make, have, get and help. How are these words used in sentences and what are the important things that you have to remember when you make use of these verbs is being discussed in detail today in the class. Come, let's dive into the topic. Let's look at the first verb, make. Let's look at one example here. My mother made me clean my study room. What does it mean? My mother forced me to clean my study room. So instead of using made, you can also use forced. It conveys the same meaning, but here there's something very important that you have to look at, which is the verb, the kind of verb that we use after the verb make. Make is not followed by to infinitive in this case. We say, my mother made me clean. It's wrong if you say, my mother made me to clean my study room. Made me to clean is wrong because you are not supposed to use to infinitive. Instead, we use the root form of the verb, which is clean. Let's look at the next verb, which is let. Let means allow or permit. Look at an example. My mom allowed me to use her PC. The sentence can be rewritten using let. Then I would say, my mom let me use her PC. So what is the difference that you find here? When you use the verb allowed, you said to use. But when you use the verb let, you said only use. That means we are not using to infinitive. Again, this is one of the rules that you have to follow when we use let as a causative verb. Let's now move on to the next verb, which is get. To understand it better, let me give you an example. I got the mechanic to repair my car. So when there's some problem with your car, you cannot do it yourself. So what do? You get the help of a mechanic. You encourage the mechanic to repair your car, or you convince somebody to repair the car. And hence you say, I got the mechanic to repair my car. The same thing can be expressed this way. I got my bike repaired by the mechanic. The second sentence is in passive voice. So you say, I got my bike repaired. Whereas the first sentence you got, I got the mechanic to repair. So in this case, we are using to infinitive. It's not like the other verbs make and let, where we do not use to infinitive. But in this case, we use to infinitive. Let's now move on to the next verb, which is have. Have, when used as a causative verb, means giving someone the responsibility to do something. Let's look at an example. The teacher had the students do the assignment. Here it means the teacher asked the students to do the assignment. Let's look at another example. We will have you participate in the debate. We will have you participate in the debate. We don't say we will have you to participate in the debate. So in both the cases, you understand that we are using only bare infinitive here without to, and we do not use to infinitive when we use have as a causative verb. Now comes the last verb, which is help. Let's look at an example. My friend helped me to reach the station on time. I have one more example for you. This guide will help you clear your doubt. In sentence number 1, helped is followed by the object me, and then you get the verb to reach to infinitive form. In the second sentence, you have help followed by the object you, and then you get the verb clear, which is the bare infinitive form. Remember, here I use to infinitive in the first sentence and bare infinitive in the second sentence. You may wonder which is correct here. In fact, both the sentences are correct. So, help, when used as a causative verb, may or may not take to infinitive. You can use either to infinitive form or bare infinitive form. Both are correct. Here is a task for you to check your understanding. My mother doesn't let me dash awake after 10 p.m. Your options are stay, to stay. Which is the correct answer? Find the right answer and please do give the answer in the comment section. If you like today's video, please do click the like button. Also, please do share. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Love learning. Keep growing. Take care. Bye-bye.